What factors are related to positioning accuracy? Our company's PFIDS product has obtained official certification for 1 meter positioning accuracy in the laboratory. In actual applications, due to various factors, the hitting positioning accuracy is approximately 5 meters. Intrusion localization accuracy depends not only on algorithms, but is also significantly influenced by construction quality, for example, fence material and quality, optical cable material, bundling tightness, environmental noise, and intrusion behavior characteristics. Wire diameter, approximately 3.0 mm, cable bundling spacing 30 cm. For positioning tests, use the wire mesh shown in the video. 3.0 mm wire, standard holes. Note: the mesh must be rigid. Soft material reduces force transfer and accuracy. Recommended to use the armored GYXTW optical cable from this video as the sensing optical cable, with loose tube inside. The leather optical cable or heavily armored optical cable can only be used as leading optical cable, not as sensing optical cable. We recommend deploying the optical cable in a wavetype pattern to enhance positioning accuracy. The optical cable must be securely fastened, as loose bundling will affect positioning accuracy. The splitter box shall be wall-mounted or underground installed to minimize vibration impact. Installation on wire mesh shall not be permitted. Choose test sites carefully, avoid windy or rainy weather, and ensure no strong vibrations or noise, as these can reduce intrusion positioning accuracy. The positioning accuracy also depends on intrusion behavior. Knocking typically achieve higher accuracy than climbing, so knocking test is generally preferred. Note that knocking force and method also affect results. For more details, please refer to the special topic video titled, "How to Achieve Higher Positioning Accuracy in Testing."